live. People struggle, long live. People struggle, long live. People struggle, long live. Karbi Anglong, long live. Karbi Akay Pahay ng Mat. Karbi Akay Pahay ng Mat. Karbi Akay Pahay ng Mat. Parang panibigsan kay Binting ni Tum Sakse. 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 We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. Vamos a inquistar Joe Biden. Vamos a inquistar Joe Biden. Si entrenamos a 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 Joe Biden.
EM Omar Singh Tiso jitu CM directionত jitu প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি দিছিলে যে মাৰ্চ 7 তাৰিখত ইভিকশন কৰিব বুলি যেটো কৈছে এটা বিট্ৰে কৰিছে ৰাইজক 30 বছৰ মান যুজিলে এই মাটিৰ পাবৰ কাৰণে এই কাউন্সিল লেভেলত বহুত বাৰে হিয়াৰিং হল আৰু লগতে হামৰেন কোৰ্টতো হিয়াৰিং হল এই লোকেল লেভেলত যিমানে ইনষ্টিটিউট আছে সবতে সাৰ্থে ফাংচয়ে জয়যুক্ত হৈছে কেছটো জিতিছে তাৰ পিছতে এই ভাগতে উচ্চ ন্যায়ালয়ত হাইকোৰ্টত কেছ দাখিল কৰিছে এই কেছটো এটা হাইকোৰ্টে ডাইৰেকশন দিছে নিৰ্দেশ দিছে যে কাৰ্বি আংলং ডিস্ট্ৰিক্টত এই মাটিৰ বিষয়টো কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাস কাউন্সিল বা কাৰ্বি আংলং স্বায়ত্ত সাহিত্য পৰিষদে এইটো ডিসিশন ল'ব বুলি ডাইৰেক্টলি কৈছে তো আজিলৈকে কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাস কাউন্সিলে আজিলৈকে ডিসিশন লোৱা নাই বা ইভিকশন লোৱাৰ আজিলৈকে সিদ্ধান্ত লোৱা নাই কাৰণটো কি আৰু আমাক ৰাজ্যৰ আগত কিয় প্ৰতিশ্ৰুতি দিছিলে আমাৰ EM অমৰ সিং টিছো CM ডাইৰেকশনত সেইকাৰণে আজি আমি ইয়াত আমি প্ৰতিবাদ কৰিছো আমি প্ৰটেষ্ট কৰিছো আৰু আমি কনডেম কৰিছো EM অমৰ সিং টিছে মিছা কথা কৈছে ৰাজ্যক আমি বিট্ৰে কৰিছে তো আজি আমি সিদ্ধান্ত লৈছো যেতিয়ালৈকে ফাংচৰ ডাঙৰীয়া মাটিৰ পৰা যেতিয়ালৈকে ইভিকশন হয় আমি ইয়াতে আমি প্ৰটেষ্ট কৰি থাকিম আৰু যেতিয়ালৈকে PGR মাটিৰ পৰা ইভিকশনৰ বিষয় ট্ৰান্সপেৰেন্টলি ৰাজ্যক জনাব লাগিব যে এতিয়া কোনটো পদক্ষেপ এটা লৈ আছে কি কৰি আছে হেতু ট্ৰান্সপেৰেন্টলি ৰাজ্যক জনাব লাগিব নহলে আমি ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি নথু আমি প্ৰটেষ্ট কৰি থাকিম হেতুৱে la bangke itum Karbi Anglong radeta iltum ke chini adlo ke dam tangarni ilitum dak phelangpi keroni along ilitum akarbi itum han thengang akdet la so thengang akdet pena bangke itum party dhormo kidu keplang sepatin tipin pensi dak phelangpi la towar pilong itum kaduk be ingni thipsi chesong lo hala bangso ka chesong arni radeta thek prong lo Omor Singh Tiso ke hai la pen do sing ong hang ke hai alang litum CM tuliram ong hang alam toy pen si haladak rara theng no bang lo la pen haladak rara theng no amasi Omor Singh Tiso ke hai ta jailo ing koyar ni ke ilitum ching waya nang la pen non there po cheklo March Throxier ni atumi lo la bangsor ni ke sarte phangcho along le long pen hala poromanando bhagot la pen chohana tum dak long le ka charai thipa bangke lake dak pen tharle po mate eviction claim po pusi hala dak si chakte kanglo tangte atumian ke eviction da ave thang da ave te kupia phamsi rara phan ka chobai nang ponte rara phan kupilo lang plot kente lake lupik itung ke munit kali marat mari apisa sai se mane tung kente lake manpeng ave mane tung ke dak hadak rara phan ke than ki mumpon ke japon ke ini tum kado belo ante hala ni tum rara phan ke than alam chake kupilon de lake to CM tuliram rong hang atum non nang barsi rara panche thanang ponon people lo eviction kem kita kente lapen eviction jong si claimun e pulutang te kupilo rar panchong thuinang po chobai nang po kente claimun e damun e claim thek thelo pulutang te hala soni si chethan dak nei le thek the pulutang te lapen thek the pulute ar pulong niri nili puji bu bangke nili taso at pulong ni ne jong si thek the pulutang te akapre cho claim moi business cho claim moi site ki noi akapre claim noi seta la so counselang hoyong jo si ini putang te rara phana ke mang la pen alam chak bang chi pleng thek nei la si pini tu ve jo ni tum birta long lo thang cho hem long bang ke omor sing chi so ke hai he komane phana dak toy si kapamang hudam met so ka bang kali der nei pini theng miet theng nei lam cha teng lo march troxier ni eviction claim ji pulo inghong lo claim kreder lo che song phedang ponon asi pini nang bar noi pini dak itom party chipu pe pin pen asong chipu pe pin pen
Do it inside.
Okay, we'll do it.
You do it inside. You do it somewhere, but don't block the road. This is under Mughal. Okay, please tell the time. We'll provide now. We provide the space. Now, we cannot block it. Okay.
Long pun tu kalau dan memang am kata tong ami apa kita abang so ami apa kita adopsi kita tentang hang sebelum di high invoy ami ladak akan denong termas konsep panjang bukti polisi ladak dokumen pangke ketua tim final potong dan political organization Alo, kita para ekonomi dari desa mek kok kita akan alang ni lang tak ko na tin kai. Ala so army apa kita
No eviction! No eviction! No eviction! No eviction! No eviction! No eviction! Sakit penjualan lengkap Parlimen!
We are doing it democratically. We are not giving any to the public. This is no. We know it. You know it. We know it. Under 144, but you also know it's what we have discussed there. Under 144,
The designated place. The designated place is something in the park.
no, you know it. No, if we go to the room, there are so many debates. So that I don't want to debate, sir. We have given the order. We have complied. We are sitting on the left side. We can move forward.
There is 144.
We know it.
There is 144. What is 144?
We know it, sir.
You cannot. No. There cannot be a gathering of more than 5%.
We know it, sir. But then you also know it. What we have discussed there. What we have discussed on the 20th.
I'll not say anything illegal. That is whatever eviction is. That is the consent. Yes. My concern is that you should not break the law. When DC is given 144, 3 or 5, the gathering cannot be more than 5. Yes. If you are 4%, you are protesting here. I have no objection. But if the gathering is more than 5, see what the law says. I cannot allow it.
But sir, we are forced because.
By forcing, you should not break the law of the country.
We are not breaking, sir. Sir, we are
you are breaking 144.
We are on the limit, sir. We are on the limit.
You are breaking 144.
Sir, we are on the limit. We have to protest against the council because they have broken their promises, sir.
There is no harm in the protest, but you do it democratically.
We are doing democratically, sir. We are just an assembly, sir. We are not using any unparliamentary votes to anyone.
No.
So we are doing it democratically, sir.
But the gathering has itself become undemocratic now.
Sir,
under 144.
if there is no gathering, sir, there is no protest, sir.
There is a way. We should have applied for permission now.
We will apply it, sir. But then
you do it.
You apply it, sir. We will do it, sir.
You apply it that we want to protest against the eviction of the. We will then see the. We will locate your place and do it. There is no harm.
We are not going to use any unparliamentary vote. But we'll be sitting here peacefully. I give you my word, sir. We'll be doing it here peacefully. But nobody will be harmed.
This is not a designated place, right? This is not a designated place.
You know it,
you do it in a. It will be under our protection. You do it in a designated place now. there's a designated Samsung Park is there. There's a designated place for your protest. You sit there. I have no objection.
For the
But
time
it has
being,
to be in the designated place.
for the time being, let us agree that let the elected representative come here and then let him.
I can send that message to the independent only if you do it in the designated place.
So let him come, sir.
How can he come to a place which is only speak lawfully? If I say anything unlawful, you can counter me.
Yeah. I'm not countering you.
Yeah, yes.
I'm just discussing with you.
There is, because of these elections, there is 144. You understand it? Under 144, any protest, any rally by anybody, even the political party asks for permissions.
Yes, we know that.
And if you ask to protest, I have no objection, but it has to be allowed in the designated protest place.
That is why.
Like in Delhi, it's there in Jantar Mantar. You know it.
Yeah.
For Karbi Anglong, the designated place is Samsung Park, or it can be under your office premises. Other than that, yes.
No properties have been destroyed. Everything was organized peacefully. You know that.
I know. I have full faith in it. Then do it democratically, na? Do it democratically as per law.
I think this is the only way to give.
But understand my condition as a government servant, na? I have to act as per the law of the country. I cannot allow this, na? You talk about yourself. I'll speak with my seniors. See what can be done. But even AGYC protested. We have nothing to say. Okay, just discuss among yourself.
Yes.